everyone knew that one of Pakistan's most loved army chiefs, former Chief of Army Staff General retired Raheel Sharif, enjoys dancing, as it came as a surprise to everyone after he was seen grooving to a Bollywood song at his son's wedding.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.